Hey guys, welcome. This is Phil Colbridge here with Top Orlando Homes and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty. We have a special treat for you here today. 14624 Clarkson Drive here in Orlando, Florida. Beautiful Avalon Park's South Village. And you'll see behind me already it's an end unit townhome on conservation, oversized lot, so feels like a house almost. Very cute, very quaint, bright colors. So come check it out. Okay, so right when we step in, we have the formal, cute little family area, followed by breakfast nook, and we'll come straight down, and then we have the first bedroom with its own full bathroom, brand new carpets, very spacious, you'll check it out. And then again, the end unit brings a lot of light into the kitchen area, the nook. You have the counter space. You have as well the laundry room here with washer and dryer included, very nice ones by the way. And then you have this very spacious kitchen with stainless steel appliances, the full island. Again, you don't feel like you're in a 2-bedroom, 2-bath here, but it's got everything you need. And then we'll come this way, we have the master with full master suite and bathroom there. And then we'll come check out the back. All right, so welcome to the balcony, the patio here. You can definitely screen this in if you'd like to have it private or do a fence with the pets. But we got the full 2-car garage here and very large yard space. The long driveway, which is a special selling feature here because you could fit 4 cars there plus the garage. And then again, it backs up onto the conservation, so very private. And then just beyond the conservation actually is the community center exclusively for Avalon South Village here. Everything, all the amenities there are included in your HOA. You have tennis courts, basketball, playgrounds, an entire resort style pool with waterfall, jacuzzi, saunas, full gym, including fitness center, a whole activity. Like, it's seriously like a real gym. It's not like one of those little, complex gyms. And then you have the downtown Avalon as well with its whole downtown. You could walk there, you could bike there in 5, 10, 15 minutes. So come check it out. Lots to see, lots to offer, great price point. Again, this is Phil Colbridge here with Top Orlando Homes and Keller Williams Advantage 2 Realty, and thank you so much.